What's going on, guys? I just got home and got in the mail a mystery box package from Stangmode. So guys, we're gonna open this up together and see what we got in here. And I got my knife from Street Speed 717. We're gonna open this up, see what we got. Should be a shirt and a mystery item. All right, let's take a look. We got us nice Stangmode logo shirt. Perfect. I like it. Like the gray, like the orange. And oh, look at this. We got an Iron Man pop, Funko Pop. Got Venom. Sweet. Well, there you go. Little unboxing of my Stangmode mystery box. We'll see if I'm a big winner too. Maybe I'll end up driving home the Raptor. Let's hope.